Hey everyone, we're here at LiquorLand in Amaroo. Brand new refurbished, as you can see. Let's have a look. It's been a while since I've done a cool room video, hey? Yeah. Of a walk-in refrigerator like this. I've been here before. We have possibly Kirby evaporators, I think. I'm not sure what that says, but yeah, there's two evaporators in here, as you can see. Pretty nice actually. Of course, back there we have the coil. My last walk-in fridge video was at a Dan Murphy's store, which was actually really big, much bigger than this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.